our candidates right there at backstage?
I think my only message to all the candidates in the backstage is that if you are joining the pageant, you should be who you are. You should know who are you representing to, know your roots, and what are the things that you can definitely give to for a cause into our society. And with that, I know that as I answered my question in the final question of Miss Universe, that if we fall in line, if a candidate fall in line, we should come back stronger. And with that message, I wanted to portray it to all the candidates. If you are pressured, if you have disparities and problems within your walk or your talk, as long as you are confident and as long as you can inspire others, then you can make, of course, a difference towards the people. Thank you.